Ready? Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, sir, I would like to make a mention of some of the problems of the workers in general and those of the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in particular. Stop. Sir, in the first place, I would like to state that the railway administration does not provide to the workers a speedy and efficacious remedy against their grievances. Stop. If a worker is demoted, he has to go to the High Court after appealing to the executive authority. Stop. If a worker is superseded, he has to go to the executive authority in appeal and then to the High Court. Stop. If he is removed or suspended from court service, he has first to go to the executive authority and ultimately a right is administered to him to go to the High Court. Stop. The result is that if a worker is dismissed from service, even though his dismissal is not proper or wrongful, he will not get the relief unless he goes through this channel of appealing to the zonal authority, then to the labor board, and ultimately referring the matter to the High Court and lastly the Supreme Court. Stop. The result is that in a case where the judicial authority holds the termination illegal and improper, the railway authorities are required to pay back the entire wages. Stop. It is all right that we have removed and dismissed a large number of workers. Stop. I think they are in thousands. Stop. What is the outcome of this question mark? The outcome full stop.